This is Mohammed Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is our isometric view, this is our front view, and this is our right side view. Okay. So first of all, let me zoom it a little. Okay. In here we can see this is our initial shape. Okay. So for drawing this initial shape, we can see that we have a height distance of 60 unit. Okay, so from here to here the height distance is 60 unit. Okay, then we can see it has a total radius of 30 unit, so we can say this one is 30 unit. Okay, and this also has a distance of 30 unit, as this is the radius of 30 unit. So along this line we have also have a distance of 60 unit. So first of all, we'll draw a center rectangle. Okay, and this center rectangle has a dimension of 60 by 60 unit. Okay, and then if we go back to here, we need to expose our center rectangle to 90 unit. Okay, we're going to expose it to 90 unit. So first of all, let's go to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting front plane from here. Okay, now right click on it, now sketch, and then normal to it. Now going to select the center rectangle from here and placing the center rectangle here, and it has a vertical distance of 60 unit. Okay, now I'm pressing the tab key. Okay, pressing the tab key to for switching the dimension input. So it has a radius of 30 unit in each side, so it will also has a total distance of 60 unit also. Okay, so we overall we have a 60 unit square. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. We'll extrude boss it to 90 unit. Okay, so now I'm going to dimension to 90 unit, and we'll extrude boss it to along mid plane, because the geometry is quite symmetrical. So we're going to use along mid plane. Now press OK. So what this portion has been done. Now if we look back here, we have a we can call it a 30 unit radius fillet. Okay, if we think it about a 30 unit radius fillet, we can pick it like that way. For that, we will going to select our features, then going to select the fillet tools from here. Okay, then here we have few options, like we can give dimensions and many other things. So as it has equal distance of 30 unit here and 30 unit here, so all the same, so we're going to select this one, because our full curvature will be a round shape. Okay, so in the first box we will going to select our first side, then in the second box we will select our upper side, which one we need to fillet, and the third side we will select our this third face. Okay, so in the preview you can see as our total portion is uh, semicircle, so we have got our semicircle fillet radius portion. Now press OK. So you'll see that we have gotten our this semicircular and semi-rectangular shape. Now isometric it for a better view. Then let's go back to our sketch. Okay, if we zoom it a little, okay, here we can see our this inner circle. Okay, this inner extrude cut circle has a diameter of 48 unit. So we'll do a 48 unit diameter cycle. Then we will use the extrude cut into through wall. Okay, we're going to extrude cut it to through wall. So in the same way, I'm going to select the front plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now I'm going to select the circle tool from here and placing the circle to the previous circle or previous origin. So it has a dimension of 48 diameter, so dimension to 48 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and then extrude cut. So we're going to extrude cut it to through all both sides. So here I'm going to select through all both sides. Now press OK. So this portion also has been done. Let's go to our sketch. Okay, so we have gone to our sketch. Let's zoom it a little more. Okay, so in here we can see along this top plane. Okay, along this top plane, we can see we have a circular cut of 15 diameter here and another circular cut of 10 diameter here, and we have same cut in upper portion and lower portion. So in the top plane, we will draw one circle of 15 and another circle of 10 diameter. Then I used to cut it to through all in the both side. Okay, and we can see from this center point to this point it has a distance of 20 unit, and also this circle center point to this uh, final point it has a distance of 20 unit. Okay, so let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting the top plane from here. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it, and now select the cycle tool from here and hover your mouse along here. Uh, Now in this center line point, draw a circle, and here we have a circle of 15 diameter. So dimension to 15 diameter. Again, similar way, hover your mouse along this center origin and draw a circle of 10 diameter. So I'm going to draw a circle of 10 diameter. Now going to select the expand dimension tool, and from this center point to this line it is a distance of 20 units. So now dimension it to 20 unit. Okay, and now again similarly in the same way in the other side, select this circle center point. Now select this line, and it has a total vertical distance of 20 units. So dimension to 20 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, and this time we will going to extrude cut it to through all both. Okay, so we are going to extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion also has been done. So if we zoom out here, okay, so here you can see we have drawn our same shape. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.